everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I am bringing you another combo grocery haul and meal plan for the week. So this week I'm going to be prepping on the 5 Dinners 1 Hour page again, and I'll put the link to their page below so that you can check that page out and like it, because you'll be notified when I'm coming up due. You can also follow along on the WW365 Facebook page. WW365 is our Facebook page, and I usually make the announcements on that page as well when I'm going live on the 5 Dinners 1 Hour, just so you can kind of keep up and see where I'm at. This week for our dinners, I got my cheat sheets out here. We are having a 1-dish Mexi baked chicken. We're doing a Brazilian steak unkebabs, and I'm going to be using, instead of steak for that, I'm going to be using up some venison that we have in the fridge. We're going to have chicken chimichangas, super stoked about that one. Blackened tilapia and baked tortellini. Yes, I said baked tortellini. So not sure on the points on these yet. I'll work up the points, and when I go live on the 5 Dinners 1 Hour page, I will talk about the points on each of those recipes. And if you're not aware, if you've not watched one of my 5 Dinners 1 Hour preps before, you can follow along with the recipes. I'm prepping them right in front of you. I'm live with the audience, so I'm interacting, answering questions. But on that page, this is a subscription service that I subscribe to. So I can't actually give you the recipes for these 5, but you can become a member. My 5 Dinners 1 Hour link is always listed below. They have great menu plans. The reason why I like it is because of the fact that they have dinners, the recipes set up just that are super easy, and they give you a grocery list, which I just do my grocery shopping online for, which is what I did today. I did the Kroger grocery pickup. And I did my order online, swung by there, picked it up, and then brought that home, and I just got done filming that, so like I said, I'll show you after this. So it makes it a lot easier to have your full list, your full ingredients list listed there for you. And then the way that their recipes are broken down is that the recipes are broken down on the day of assembly and then the cooking directions. So you have your ingredients list, what to assemble that day, and then on the day I cook them, I'll refer to the last column. Now, the recipes that I have are from both the classic and the clean eating plan, so they have both. I'm signed up for the combo plan, and I've been a member for, I don't know, maybe a year, a little over a year now. And I just recently started working with them to bring you live meal preps, so I hope you like that tomorrow. I'm going to try to shoot for the 3:30 Eastern Standard Time, which will be 2:30 Central Standard Time slot. As long as there's no other conflicts on the page for that, I went ahead and requested that time slot. So if not, you'll see that. Once I go live and the recipe, the meal prep is posted, I'll try to remember to go back and link the link to the live meal prep there so that you can rewatch it on the replay. So I'll try like heck to. If I forget and you don't see it, just comment down below and ask me for that link, and I'll make sure I get it in there. So maybe try to help keep me honest. All right, so with that said, I'm gonna jump over into my grocery haul. I think I spent $104 at Kroger today. So let's jump in. I'll show you what I bought. Okay, so I have a watermelon, some English muffins for my husband's breakfast sandwiches. Those are 4 smart points each. I have some Deli Fresh honey uncured ham and honey smoked turkey breast. Honey smoked turkey breast. Couldn't get that out. Both of those are 2 ounces for 1 smart point. 2 packages of eggs, some cherry tomatoes, some Smithfield thick cut bacon, that is 1 smart point, 2 smart points for 1 slice. A couple of bananas, Needed some shredded cheese. I have some Parmesan. That is 4 smart points for 1/4 cup, and some Mexican style blend. And that is 3 smart points per 1/4 cup. Also have an avocado here. And that is, I think, 3 smart points for 1/4 of the avocado. Here are my frozen things. California style vegetables, just for snacking. Green bell peppers. Another California style veggies. Peas and carrots. Sorry, these are so noisy. A corn. I think I had 2 of these. So 2 corns. I needed some tilapia for a recipe, so I thought I would try these. Grab some more of that pulled chicken breast that I like so much. This is 1 smart point per 2 ounces. Super good if you're looking for something quick to throw on your salads, or if you need just some pulled chicken for a wrap. This is really, really good to use. So I've talked about this before in my grocery hauls. Some baked cheese, some cheese tortellini. I'm gonna bake it. And I think this one is 7 smart points per serving, and 1 serving is 1 cup. If that's different, I'll let you know, because they substituted this one for the one that I was going to get. So I'll let you know if it's any different, and I'll put it here if it's different. If you don't see anything, you know it's 7. 2 things of coleslaw, 1 thing of chopped romaine lettuce, some pudding and pie filling mix. That's 1 smart point per serving, and that has 4 servings in the box. I needed some graham cracker crumbs. This is 1 tablespoon for 1 smart point. I plan on only using 1 teaspoon, which I think is 0 smart points. I needed some cilantro, 2 things of the Good Thins, and I'm going to use that for snacking. I'm going to try a new bean dip this week, so stay tuned. I'll let you know how that turns out. Oh, Good Thins, 41 crackers for, hold on, it's on the other box, for 3 smart points. 41 crackers, 3 smart points. Mashed potatoes, 4 smart points per serving. Grabbed some canned goods. I have some green beans, some sweet peas, and some black beans. I also needed some Maxwell House K-Cups. I ran out of K-Cups, and I haven't had a chance to get to the store where I normally get them, so I just ordered those to get me through the week. Some cinnamon graham crackers. I'm not sure if I'm going to eat these or not, but they are 6 smart points for 2 full sheets, so that will have to be a treat if I do have it. 2 things of salsa. 1 is for a recipe, the mild salsa, and the other chunky medium salsa is just for some chips and salsa, which I got some chips here. And those are 5 smart points per serving. I think 1 serving is 1 ounce. Oh, 29 grams, so 12 chips. I got some Fiber One 70 calorie bars. I have some brownie ones and some lemon ones. And these, are you guys ready? 2 smart points each. Not sure how small they're gonna be, but maybe we could check. Hold on, see if I can get this one open with 1 hand while we chit chat. All right, so do you see this basil here? I needed some basil for a recipe, and they had 1 bunch of basil that was just the normal fresh basil, and it was like $4.50. And then they had something called living basil for $2.99, and I'm like, oh, basil, $2.99. I only need, like, I don't know, 6 or 8 leaves. Look, it's an actual plant. What am I going to do with a plant? I kill all my plants. So I'm going to try to keep this alive. Otherwise, I'm going to have to give it to somebody who can hopefully keep it alive. But I'm going to, I don't know, maybe I'll test it out and see how long I can keep this one alive. But I'm telling you, good luck, Mr. Plant, because you won't last long around here. All right, so bars. Let's see if I can get it in my hand. There's my hand, but the bar is kind of like this. It's not bad, palm size, I'd say. So not bad for a snack for 2 points. So I'm going to enjoy those. I have not had those since they were 4 smart points. Once we moved from the what was it, Points Plus to the Smart Points, they jumped from 2 up to 4. So now they're back down to 2 again. So hopefully now we can enjoy them. I needed some marshmallow cream for a recipe, so stay tuned on that one. And then the last thing that I got are these Better Oats, and these are the 3 Smart Point ones. And one of my members, Becky, and her mom have been making a dessert. So Becky, or Becky's mom if you're listening, I am going to try your dessert, so stay tuned. I will have a cook with me on that one, and I'm super excited to give that a try. Okay, so that's it. That's my grocery haul for the week. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next week with my next grocery haul. See you later. Bye.